Kotlin will throw a null pointer exception only if we want that to happen, and let's say that we want to catch exceptions. As you know, when manipulating null references, we can get compilation errors if we do not implement it in a safe way. Well, let's say that we really want to deal with the exception, and of course, we do not want the app to crash. For that case, we have the non-null assertion operator, defined by two exclamation marks or two exclamation points after a null reference. In this example, we're going to get the username of this owner, which is a null reference. We notice the compilation error. As we showed before, we have different ways to handle this, but let's use the non-null assertion operator. What this operator does is checking if this object is null, and in case of being null, it will throw a null pointer exception. Of course, we need to execute this inside of a try catch to avoid a crash. Another way to reduce possible crashes in our app due to the null references is casting objects properly. For this example, let's say that we have a function that receives a parameter of the type any that can be null. Any is the root class in Kotlin, so every class has any as a superclass. If inside this function we would like to cast this parameter to a specific class, we will get a class cast exception if the parameter is null. To cast it as a string in a safe way, we have to use the null safe operator, which is a question mark. By doing this, we are not going to get exceptions if the parameter is a null reference.